If we are to take the Toledo Maya Land Rights Commission as an indicator of the progress being made, then today we learned that absolutely nothing has been done. I think that the government of Belize has failed miserably to implement the orders of the court.
Strong words after almost 3 years at this forum and close to 3 decades fighting the issue of communal land rights. And Commission Chair Lady Lisela Lamia and Solicitor General Nigel Hawke did not stick around to defend themselves or the government. They were off to plot strategy after receiving the preliminary order of the C.C.J. panel this afternoon, having asked for time until Monday, October 30th to consult. Attorney for the Maya Association's Monica Koch-Magnuson tells us more.
We're here to discuss the implementation of the C.C.J's 2015 order. And we're trying to move this process forward. It's been almost 3 years and not much has been done on the ground, but that's why we're here. We're back before the court because they've retained supervisory, they have a supervisory role in this respect, and so that's why we're here. We're back to report on the status of the implementation. We are hopeful and that we would reach some kind of consent in respect of a timeline to the implementation.
But the Maya have seen this script before. Ms. says the government continues to lead the Maya leaders out of its consultations and discussions, and has allowed further violations of their territory to take place, the Rupert Miles case in Santa Cruz Village in 2015 being one example. He issued a warning that the Maya's long-suffering relationship with Belmopan could soon be running out.
The point is that there's nothing concrete that we can come back to this court to report that has been done to move the implementation forward. We, at the Maya Leaders Alliance and the Alcaldes Association, have attempted to do whatever there is in our power to always come prepared, to engage in the process. We recognize that this kind of implementation on the part of the government requires directional leadership. It requires a rational thinking. It requires an ability to recognize that we are correcting a historic injustice here, that we can't continue to replicate those in our processes. This is precisely the frustration of the Maya people that was put on the table before the justices today, that there are issues that are happening, there are violations and infringements, and it is, in our opinion, the opinion of the Maya people, that we cannot continue to entertain those kinds of violations and infringements upon a court of the highest order that Belize belongs to. So there are infringements happening. The 2 cases that you mentioned are still before the court. They have not concluded as yet. We hope that those are cases that the government would engage with the Maya people in finding an amicable solution to. The Maya people are clear in saying that this can't be our lives. It can't be traveling to Belize City to the court every time. We are Belizeans and we are guaranteed constitutional protection. And that is what we have been fighting for, and that is what we continue to stand and defend.
Aaron Humes reporting for News 5.